Hey yo, have you ever had an idea, something you can clearly picture, but you just don't have the tools to actually bring it to life in 3D? A character, an object, something for a game, normally that will take hours or even days to create. But tools like Meshy are changing that completely. So guys, Meshy-ing is an AI tool that can generate texture and even pose 3D models in just a few clicks, and in this video I'm going to show you exactly how it works with real examples. So guys, coming here into their website, we have here all the tools needed. So firstly, let's start with text to 3D. So I'm going here to try a few prompts quickly so you can see the range. Firstly, we're going to try a futuristic robot. Pressing generate, now you just have to wait. So since it's generating, we can use other prompts to create other things at the same time. And we are going to try a medieval knight helmet, realistic world metal. Pressing generate, and now you just have to wait, so you can see here it's creating. And another one, so we can compare them with each other. We're going to create a cartoon dragon that has bright colors and it's styled, so generating as well. And we can see here that they're all generating at the same time, and this is the key idea. You're not just making one model, you can generate multiple styles in just a second. And now let's talk about one of the most important features, AI texturing. So instead of manually painting textures, Meshy can do it automatically. So here you can see that we can create textures, so you just add the prompt. So for this one, we're going to apply a metallic texture, and here we can add even HD texture if you want to, and you can even actually play with it a little bit. So then apply texture and it will automatically apply it. Now guys, we can see here our example with metallic as we ask it to do it. Now we can edit texture, so rich texture here, and let's try something softer like fabric. And now press texture and it will automatically change it to something different. So you just have to wait a few seconds for it to generate, and you'll have here the example. So here we have the actual example, so it looks good. It did a great job. And now for the third example, let's try something different as well. So let's switch to something stylized and cartoon. So let's try this out and see the final result. And now we've got it. So guys, this looks more like something you'd see in a game or animation. So instead of spending hours texturing, you can test multiple styles in just seconds. And this is huge for workflows where visual iteration matters. Now guys, we're going to move to image to 3D. So here we have two variations, two examples. First thing, we are going to try an object like a phone. So we'll see what it can do. Now we're pressing generate. Then for the second one, we are going to add a character and see what it can do with it. So in the meantime, when the phone is generating in 3D, we are going to add the character as well, and we are going to see what's the difference, how it works and how it looks like. So here we have it, press generate, and now let's wait for it to generate and see the difference, how they look and how impressive they are. Here we have the first example. It looks very good. As you can see, the most impressive thing is that it can convert flat images into usable 3D structure. You can see it right here. It looks very amazing, and this is especially useful if you already have a concept or art. And the character as well looks very amazing. I like how it created everything, even though it doesn't know how it looks like from behind. It generated everything perfectly. It is so amazing. Now guys, we're going to try the most powerful feature right here. So this is pose, and we can even create our own poses. So first we're going to generate the character, as we can see right here. Now we can actually adjust the pose manually. So we're going here to custom, and here we have it. So we can move everything we want however we want. So you can grab different points, different parts, arms, legs, and even the body however you want. So let's try a few quick poses. So standing neutral is going to be the first one. So here we're going to adjust it and send custom pose. Now it's generating as we talk, and we're going to try even more. So here we press generate. Now pose number 2 that we're going to try is action pose. So arms raised, legs dynamic, and here we have it. So we are going to send it here and generate as well. And this is going to be our third pose. So let's send to custom page and generate, so we can see what will happen. And here's where the things get interesting. You're not just generating static models, you're creating motion and expression. You can make character look like they're in walking, attacking, or interacting. And this is extremely useful for animation, storytelling, or game assets. So here we have the first one. We can see that it did the exact pose that we sent it, so it looks great. We can see that it added the lower part as well, because our character didn't have one. Now the second one, we have here the exact same pose that we've asked for, so it looks amazing. You can see that it did a very great job. And here we have the third example, as we can see exactly what we've asked for. Now let's talk about actually using these models, because this isn't just about generating them. You can export them into real workflows. So you can export in formats like this one. So we can add OBJ, GLB, STL, and FBX. So guys, here is how we can download it. So press these 3 dots, download. Here you use the format you need, FBX as an example, then press download, and as you can see, the model transfers directly into your workflow. This is what makes Meshy so powerful. It has one of the most extensive ranges of DCC bridges among AI 3D tools. So instead of being isolated, it connects directly into the production pipelines. So guys, when you combine all of this, text to 3D, image to 3D, AI texturing, custom posing, and export workflows, you are looking at a completely different way of creating 3D content. Instead of spending hours building one idea, you can generate, test, and refine ideas rapidly. And right now there's a special offer for you that you can try. Get Pro monthly for just $1. Starting today, click the link in my descriptions to unlock your $1 Pro access. Limited quantity available, first come first served. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, make sure you like and subscribe for more AI and creative tech. And I'm curious, what would you create if you could turn any idea into 3D instantly? I'll see you in the next one, and hope you enjoyed the video and hope you liked it. And don't forget, don't miss this opportunity. It's a huge deal and you don't want to miss it. Peace.